Okay, this little instructional video is just to show the various types of shading, etc. that I may send to you, how it works, easiest way of fitting it. You will see that there's two types of application tape on these graphics. One is a paper type, the second is a clear type. Okay, always fit the paper first. The paper type application tape contains the main layout of the actual design. So without exception, paper first. Using the method that I've shown in the other video, which hopefully you've seen, the hinge method, whatever, just to get that on the side of your boat. Okay, so when this has been fitted, you can remove the paper application tape, and you've got the main parts of your lettering in place. There's basically three types of lettering that I'll send you. The first type will be a basic drop shadow. All you do is you take your clear application tape, peel it off, like so. Peeling the application tape, the backing paper away from the application tape. The way it works is clear so that you can see through the graphic. I would advise doing it a letter at a time. You can do it more than one letter at a time, but it's actually much easier if you do it a letter at a time, particularly in the case of large lettering on the side of a boat. Then literally all you do is you lay it on using the one underneath as a guide. Just like that. Okay, and you can see that when you do so, the way I've designed it is so that you can easily apply the letter straight on the top, and it's in exactly the right position. And there we have it. Sometimes, as with traditional narrowback lettering, you have a drop shadow with a gap, and this is the way you do the drop shadow with a gap. Same method, peel the backing paper away from the actual graphic, much easier that way. Static is keeping it on the wall there. And with this one, you actually position it so that you leave your little gap. I've pre-cut this so it'll be pretty much spaced. Not brilliant that, but you get the idea. Again, very simple. And remove the application tape carefully. It will stick much better to the side of your boat because it'll be gloss. This is a wall in my house, so it's matte. You get the idea. Just carefully remove it. And that's method 2. There's the drop shadow. Drop shadow and gap. Very traditional style. Finally, you may have wanted lettering, or in the design there may have been lettering with an outline. And the way we do this is the main part of the letter goes on first, which is in fact the outline, because we'll put it on like so. Pretty straightforward, hopefully. And that basically is the three types of lettering that I more often than not send out to people, and how you apply. Any problems, of course, get in touch. I'll be happy to talk you through any of this over the telephone.